Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture without losing likes on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up Facebook app right here. And let's go to the menu page by clicking on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click on see your profile and we'll get to this page. Now first, I'm going to show you to which profile picture I'm going to change to. And so that I'll be proving to you that I did not lose the likes later on. So I'm just going to click on my profile icon. I'm going to click on view profile picture. And for example, I'm going to change my profile picture to this one with 10 likes. So just note on that. And now what you're going to note is that you need to choose a picture that was once your profile picture. So to do that, click on your profile icon. Click on select profile picture. And from here, what you're going to choose from is only from this certain album. You only need to choose a picture that is inside this album that says profile pictures. So these are all your previous profile pictures that you have set on Facebook. So again, you only need to choose a picture from this album. So click on more right here in line with that. And this should show all your previous profile pictures. And this is the one that I'm going to change to. So I'm going to click on it. You can also opt to share your update to newsfeed or not share it. But I'm just going to share it. And click on save right here. Let's wait for it to be set. And I'm going to click on view right here. Click on view. And as you can see, I did not lose the 10 likes that I showed earlier. And as I scroll down, I'm just going to refresh my feed. And there the likes did not appear, but I just changed it to this profile picture. So that is how you can basically change your profile picture without losing likes on Facebook. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.